Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies this week. The last time I looked at the price of Bitcoin, which was sometime yesterday, it was below $7,000. How concerning is that for you, and what do you think is driving the sell-off?
So we remember Bitcoin when it was $8. So we're pretty happy with, I think, the price right now is around $8,000, but we've seen this cycle happen. I've sort of lost track of how much it's happened, but probably over 20 times. There's a lot of excitement, new interests, new money entrants come in. It gets a little bit frothy, and then it sort of corrects back, but it always tends to find a floor that's healthier and higher than the previous one, and I think this is going to be the same.
Does the volatility concern you at all, though? Because it seems like it would be difficult to build business plans around an asset that is this volatile.
Well, I think the volatility is a function of it just being such a new global asset class. One of the things we've been working on is we launched a futures contract with the SIBO in December, and it's really creates a two-sided market because now people can actually start to short Bitcoin,
right.
But it's still only about 6 weeks old, the contract. But it's a great step in the direction of price discovery and creating that two-sided nature of the market.
Do you think that futures contract has played a role in the recent price decline?
It's hard to say. I mean, ideally it does definitely increase price discovery. So we're seeing a price that has more viewpoints and more institutions and sophisticated traders expressing viewpoints on it.
Do you have an idea of what would be a fair price of Bitcoin?
So
tough question, I know.
Yeah, we've sort of used the framework of gold. We think that when you look at the money characteristics or qualities of gold and why it makes it gold coveted, on the merits, Bitcoin matches or is better, is superior to gold in all those 9 characteristics. So the market cap of gold is 7 trillion. The market cap of Bitcoin, let's say it's around 100 to 200 billion. So we think that Bitcoin disrupts gold. I think it's gold 2.0. So it has an appreciation from anywhere from 100 billion to 7 trillion. So that could be anywhere from like a 30 to 40x from here, which sounds like a lot, but we think it's the most sensible framework for what the value of Bitcoin is and what it should be worth.
You both have sizable investments in Bitcoin, so I got to ask, how do you protect your Bitcoin investment from the prospect of hacks? Do you go full on analog?
So that's a good question. So initially we actually built our own cold storage system, and it involved basically cutting up private keys and dispersing them in vaults around the US. But we've now since moved our assets into Gemini, and we basically, we eat our own dog food.
Can I ask you, are you still Bitcoin billionaires after the recent price move?
Where is the price right now?
It's a good question.
It could be all the way back up. We have a portfolio of cryptocurrencies. We invest in Bitcoin, invested in Ether early on, and a few others. So we're long on the space. We don't sit there and watch the price day to day. We're in this for the long haul, whether that's a decade or many decades. So like I said earlier, we remember when Bitcoin was $8. So as far as we're concerned, it's all gravy from here.